Most contractors choose construction software based on branding, not actual workflow fit. And here's the truth no one tells you. Buildertrend and Houzz Pro are built for very different ways of running a construction business, even though they look similar on the surface. In this video you'll get a clear, simple, and honest comparison of Buildertrend versus Houzz Pro in 2026, so you can decide which one actually fits your projects, your clients, and your business goals. Let's get straight into it. First, understand what each platform is designed for. Buildertrend is a full construction management system built for contractors, remodelers, and home builders. It focuses on project scheduling, budgeting, client communication, document control, and job tracking in one centralized system. Houzz Pro is more of an all-in-one marketing and project management platform. It is built for design-focused contractors, remodelers, and businesses that want to generate leads, manage clients, and handle lighter project workflows in one place. Now here's where it gets interesting. Buildertrend is built for managing construction operations, while Houzz Pro is built for combining marketing and project management together. Let's start with ease of use. Houzz Pro is generally easier to get started with. A contractor like Jay can set up a profile, start capturing leads, and manage basic projects quickly without heavy setup. Buildertrend takes more time to configure. A contractor like Alex managing multiple renovation projects will need to set up schedules, budgets, and workflows properly before everything runs smoothly. But here's the problem. Easy setup does not always mean long-term efficiency. Now let's talk project management. Buildertrend is stronger for complex project management. It gives you detailed scheduling, task assignments, progress tracking, change orders, and financial control. It is designed for contractors managing multiple active projects. Houzz Pro also offers project management tools, but they are more simplified. It works well for smaller projects or design-heavy workflows, but it is not as deep when it comes to construction complexity. Now here's where most people make a mistake. They pick based on simplicity instead of operational depth. Let's talk client communication. Buildertrend includes a strong client portal where homeowners can view updates, approve selections, and track progress in real time. This reduces constant phone calls and keeps everything organized. Houzz Pro also includes a client portal, but it is more visually oriented and design-focused. It works especially well when clients care about layouts, visuals, and design choices. Now here's the interesting part. Houzz Pro is often better for client attraction, while Buildertrend is better for client execution. Let's move to lead generation and marketing. This is where Houzz Pro stands out. It includes built-in tools for finding leads, showcasing your work, and connecting with potential clients through the Houzz platform ecosystem. Buildertrend does not focus on lead generation. It assumes you already have clients and focuses purely on managing projects efficiently. Now here's the key insight. Houzz Pro helps you get work. Buildertrend helps you run work. Let's talk financial tools. Buildertrend offers deeper budgeting, job costing, estimating, and financial tracking. It is built for contractors who need detailed cost control across multiple projects. Houzz Pro also includes estimating and invoicing tools, but they are simpler and more streamlined. It is good for smaller teams that do not need advanced financial tracking. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Financial depth often decides which tool scales better with your business. Let's talk pricing. Buildertrend uses custom pricing and is generally positioned as a premium construction management platform. It is designed for serious contractors managing ongoing projects. Houzz Pro offers more transparent, tiered pricing and can be more accessible for smaller businesses or those just starting to scale. But here's the catch. Cheaper tools are not always cheaper in the long run if they limit your workflow. Now here's a real-world example. A contractor like John who focuses on custom home builds and manages multiple crews will likely benefit more from Buildertrend because of its operational depth and project control. But a contractor like Jake who also relies heavily on design work, client visuals, and lead generation may find Houzz Pro more valuable for both marketing and light project management. Now here's the turning point. The best tool is not the most popular one. It is the one that matches how your business actually runs day to day. So what should you choose? If your priority is strong construction management, financial control, and multi-project coordination, Buildertrend is the stronger option. If your priority is marketing, lead generation, and design-focused client work, Houzz Pro is often the better fit. To wrap it up, Buildertrend is built for running construction operations at scale, while Houzz Pro is built for attracting clients and managing visually driven projects. The right choice depends on whether you are focused more on operations or growth through leads. If this comparison helped you, hit like so more contractors can see it. Subscribe for more honest software breakdowns. And comment below what tools you want compared next, so you can make smarter decisions without wasting time or money.